Akala ko noon, sign language is only for people who can't hear. Hindi ko alam, darating yung araw na kakailanganin ko rin pala itong matutunan.
Ay, sorry! Sorry talaga. Sorry talaga. Okay lang.
So, good morning, class. You'll be having a new classmate for today, and her name is Bianca. Bianca is dead, so let's make her feel welcome, okay? Okay, well, teacher.
Paano tayo makikipag-usap sa kanya? Hindi ko alam.
Doon ko na-realize kung gaano kahirap ang mundong hindi ka maintindihan. Pero sa simpleng pag-aaral ng sign language, maaari nating ipadama sa isang tao na hindi siya nag-iisa. Hindi man pareho ang paraan natin ng pagsasalita, pareho pa rin tayong gustong marinig at maintindihan.
Wait lang! Bakit?
Filipino Sign Language is more than hand movements. It's a bridge that connects people, especially in the moment when communication can save someone from confusion, fear, or danger. Because in a world full of noise, sometimes the greatest act of kindness is making someone feel heard, even without words.